Hello guys, and today we're going to be making funnel cake. So first what you need to do is we're going to be doing the pancake mixture, which will be 2 cups of pancake mix, and then we're going to need 1 cup of milk and 2 eggs. And then we're going to have oil for later, and once we mix everything up, we're going to put it in this. Now, once you're done mixing it, pour it into the squeeze bottle. While we were making the mix for the squeeze bottle, we also turned on the stove so that the oil would be heated. So once you do that, you pour it into the squeeze bottle, and we use that to make the funnel cake. And now we're gonna have to wait for about 2 minutes. Hello guys, this is the finishing product, but if you really want to, powdered sugar is optional and you can put it on top. Tasty.